Spelling words 11 to 20. First column is list of words. Second column pronunciation in Kannada. Third column meanings in English. 11th one kaigalu, kaigalu, hands. 12th ಊಟ, ಊಟ, meals. 13 Ramya, Ramya, name of a girl. 14 Vaidyaru, Vaidyaru, doctor. 15 Kolaki, Kolaki, dirty or unclean girl. 16 Sahapati, Sahapati, classmate. 17 Jwara, Jwara, fever. 18 Dala, Dala, army or party. 19 Bande, Bande, rock. 20 Tira, Tira, shore or coast.